Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and please do hard work, success will come. In this video, we will discuss some important MCQ of pharmacology which is asked in GPAT 2016. This MCQ is important for next incoming pharmacy exam. If you like the video content, then share the video with your friends. So let's start. The question number 1 is mode of action of imetin is a drug which is alkaloidal drug. They act by, given option is inhibit mycolic acid synthesis, option B is inhibit protein synthesis, option C is inhibit DNA synthesis, and option D is inhibit lipid synthesis. This imetin drug act by inhibiting the protein synthesis in protozoa. So it is called as anti-protozoal drug. Imetin inhibit the protein synthesis only in protozoa but not in human being or other animals and bacteria also. So it is only anti-protozoal. It inhibits protein synthesis only in protozoa and not in bacteria and other animals. So your correct option is option B. Next question is question number 2. What structure is formed if acyl side chain of penicillin is hydrolyzed? The penicillin is beta-lactam antibiotic which is hydrolyzed by the enzyme called beta-lactamase. Beta-lactamase enzyme hydrolyzes the beta-lactam antibiotic, for example penicillin, cephalosporin. After hydrolysis, which product is formed? And the given option is option A penicillinic acid, option B penylic acid, option C 7-amino penicillinic acid, and option D is 6-amino penicillinic acid. So the correct option is option D 6-amino penicillinic acid is formed after hydrolysis of penicillin by enzyme beta-lactamase. If beta-lactamase enzyme hydrolyze cephalosporin, then 7-amino cephalosporinic acid is formed. When beta-lactamase hydrolyze the penicillin, then 6-amino penicillinic acid form, while beta-lactamase hydrolyze cephalosporin, then 7-amino cephalosporinic acid is formed. So here correct option is option D. Next question is which of the following drugs are often found in both prescription and over-the-counter OTC nasal decongestant? The question is that which drug found in prescription as well as in OTC for the nasal decongestant? So option given is option A alpha 2 agonist, option B is alpha 1 agonist, option C is alpha 1 antagonist, and option D is beta 2 agonist. So here correct option is option B. Alpha 1 agonist is used as a nasal decongestant and it is found in OTC as well as in prescription drug. So nasal decongestant drug are alpha 1 agonist For example, nafazoline, phenylephrine, etc. Next question is cisplatin having high. Option A is neurotoxicity, option B is hepatotoxicity, option C is nephrotoxicity, and option D is MAO inhibition. The cisplatin is platin containing complex compound used in cancer treatment. It is an anti-cancer drug. It has the very high side effect or toxic effect in kidney, that is nephrotoxicity. So your correct option is option C, cisplatin having high nephrotoxicity. Next question is rubracerin is a metabolic product of. Given option is option A neostigmine, option B pyridostigmine, option C is physostigmine, and option D is rivastigmine. The rubracerin is metabolic product of physostigmine. Option C is the correct answer for given question. Physostigmine is correct answer. The rubracerin is the metabolic product of physostigmine. Next question is question 6. L type of calcium channel is located in. There are different types of calcium channel. One is L type, second is N type, some is R type, Q type. So L type calcium channel are present in cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and skeletal muscle. These all muscles contains or having L type of calcium channel. So correct option is option D, all of the above. N type of calcium channel is present in brain or neurons. It is present in neuron. So N type and neuron N. Next question is which of the following is inhibiting adenosine deaminase? Option A is clopidogrel. Option B is dipyridamole. Option C is ticlopidine, and option D is efiximab. Here correct option is option B. Dipyridamole is adenosine deaminase inhibitor drug. Next question is question number 8. Ascorbic acid cofactor is required for which of following enzyme in synthesis of epinephrine or adrenaline? Ascorbic acid means vitamin C, which is water soluble vitamin, required as a cofactor for the enzyme which involve in synthesis of adrenaline or epinephrine, and the enzyme is given option tyrosine hydroxylase, second D carboxylase, third dopamine beta hydroxylase, and last is N-methyl transferase. So your correct answer is option C. Dopamine beta hydroxylase is the enzyme involved in synthesis of adrenaline or epinephrine, requires the cofactor vitamin C or ascorbic acid for their proper activity. Next question is question number 9. Select the correct option. Column A is screening model and column B activity. Ectophotometer. Ectophotometer is an instrument used to study the locomotor activity of the drug. Rotarod and chimney is an instrument used to study muscle relaxant property of the drug. And tail flick and hot plate is instrument used to study analgesic drug action. And elevated plus maze and mirror chamber is used to study anti-anxiety. So correct option here is option A. Ectophotometer used to study locomotor activity. Rotarod used to study muscle relaxant. Hot plate and tail flick analgesiometer is used to study analgesic activity. Elevated plus maze and mirror chamber is used to study anti-anxiety property. Next question is question number 10. Drug combination warfarin and vitamin K result in specific interaction. Identify that interaction. Given option is option A antagonistic, option B increase sedation, option C no known interaction, and option D is harmful only in the presence of oxidizing agent. So warfarin is a oral anticoagulant drug, and vitamin K is involved in synthesis of clotting factor in liver. So they have the opposite action to each other. So it is antagonistic action. Vitamin K and warfarin combination show antagonistic action. So option A is correct answer or correct option for question number 10. Next question is risk of digitalis toxicity is significantly increased by concomitant administration of. Given option is trimetrin, option B lidocaine, option C captopril, and option D is hydrochlorothiazide. So here correct option is answer D, hydrochlorothiazide. The digitalis toxicity is increased when digitalis or digoxin is administered with hydrochlorothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide is diuretic or thiazide diuretic. It decreases the potassium level in the blood or shows hypothalamic effect, and in patient which is administering digitalis or digitoxin also result in decreased potassium level. So both the drug hydrochlorothiazide and digitalis cause decrease in potassium. So high level of high hypothalamic effect result into toxicity. So hydrochlorothiazide and digitoxin or digitalis are not administered concomitantly. Next question is question number 12. Anticholinesterase agent, quaternary ammonium compound, intermediate duration of action, carbamylating agent used in cobra bite and myasthenia gravis is. The given option is physostigmine, neostigmine, edrophonium and tacrin. Here correct option is option B, neostigmine. Neostigmine is the drug which is anticholinesterase agent, quaternary ammonium compound. They have the intermediate duration of action. They act by carbamylating, or it is a carbamylating agent used in cobra bite along with atropine, and also used in the treatment of myasthenia gravis. So neostigmine is a correct answer for question number 12. Neostigmine and atropine are used in cobra bite. Next question is question number 13. All of the following mechanisms of action correctly match a drug except one. So given option is quinidine blocks sodium channel, bretylium blocks potassium channel, and verapamil blocks calcium channel. Option D is procainamide blocks potassium channel. This question is from antiarrhythmic drug classification. Antiarrhythmic drugs are classified into 4 classes. Class 1 is sodium channel blocker. Class 2 is beta blocker. Class 3 is potassium channel blocker, and class 4 drug is calcium channel blocker. So quinidine is a class 1 drug and they blocks the sodium channel, so it is correctly matched. Bretylium is class 3 drug, so it also block potassium channel, it is also correct. Option C is verapamil. Verapamil is a calcium channel blocker and class 4 drug, it is also correct. But procainamide is a class 1 drug, they block sodium channel but not potassium, so it is wrongly matched. So correct answer for question is option number D. Next question is question number 14. In which of the following phases of clinical trial healthy and normal human volunteer participate? Given option is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. In phase 1 clinical trial, healthy normal human volunteers are participated. So option A is correct answer for question number 14. Next question is which one is correct? Option A is blood is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus blood platelets. It is the correct answer or correctly match. Lymph is equals to plasma plus RBC plus WBC. It is wrong because lymph is composed of plasma and white blood cells, mainly lymphocytes. So lymph is only plasma plus WBC or lymphocyte but not RBC, so it is wrong. Neuron is equal to cyton, dendrites, axon and synapse. It is also incorrect because neuron composed of 4 parts. First is dendrites, second is cyton or cell body, third is axon, and fourth is axon terminal. Synapse is not a part of neuron, so it is also incorrect. And last option is plasma. Plasma is equal to blood minus lymphocyte. It is wrong because plasma is composed of blood minus all the blood cells, which means RBC, WBC and platelets. But here only lymphocyte is written, so it is also wrong. Here correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 16. The most potent vitamin D metabolite is vitamin D. Option is 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. Option B is 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Option C is 24-25 dihydroxycholecalciferol, and option D is 7 dihydrocholesterol. So here correct answer is option B, 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol is a most potent and active form of vitamin D. It is also called as calcitriol. 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol is also called as calcitriol, and it is an active form of vitamin D or most potent form of vitamin D. Next question is question number 17. Animal cells do not contain. Option A is chloroplast, option B is cytoplasm, option C is nucleus, option D is cell membrane. So animal cells do not contain. Correct option is option A, chloroplast, only present in plant cell and some photosynthetic algae or bacteria. So chloroplast is not present in animal cell, so correct option is answer option A. Next question is question number 18. Sodium chromoglycate has been developed from molecule which is found in Ammi Visnaga is option A is amerogentin, option B is kaolin, option C tubocurarine, and option D is physostigmine. So sodium chromoglycate is a mast cell stabilizer used in asthma treatment. It is developed from the drug known as kaolin. So correct answer is option B, kaolin. Kaolin is a drug from which sodium chromoglycate anti-asthmatic drug is developed. Next question is which of the following is an anabolic steroid? Option A is methyl testosterone, option B is floxymesterone, option C is nandrolone, and option D is danazole. So correct option is C, nandrolone is anabolic steroid. Next question is belladonna poisoning may occur due to drug overdose or consumption of the seeds and berries of belladonna plant. Thus that poisoning can be overcome by option A is homatropin, option B is digitoxin, option C is cinchonidine, and option D is physostigmine. So homatropin increase the poisoning. Digitoxin and cinchonidine are not used in belladonna poisoning, but physostigmine option D is used in treatment of belladonna poisoning. So physostigmine is a correct option used for treatment of belladonna poisoning. Next question is terbinafine acts as. The terbinafine is an antifungal drug. It acts by, given option is competitive inhibitor of squalene epoxidase, non-competitive inhibitor of squalene epoxidase, competitive inhibitor of folate synthase, and non-competitive inhibitor of folate synthase. The terbinafine is act by squalene epoxidase inhibition, and the inhibition is non-competitively. So correct option is option B. Terbinafine acts by non-competitive inhibition of squalene epoxidase enzyme, which involve in synthesis of ergosterol, and ergosterol is the main cell wall or cell membrane constituent of the fungi. Next question is question number 22. Lispro, an analog of insulin, differs from insulin by what amino acid? Lispro is the analog of human insulin but differ from the actual human insulin in which amino acid? Which two amino acid are differ? The option A is lysine and proline, option B is leucine, option C is lysine and phenylalanine, and option D is leucine and phenylalanine. As the name indicate, Lispro, lys and pro means lysine and proline. These two amino acid are differ than the human insulin in Lispro insulin. Lispro insulin has lysine and proline, but human insulin does not have this amino acid. So Lispro is different than human insulin in these two amino acid, lysine and proline. Next question and last question is, one of the following pairs of drug mechanism is most accurate. Given option is streptomycin miscoding in bacterial protein synthesis. We know that streptomycin is a aminoglycoside antibiotic, and this act by miscoding of bacterial protein synthesis. So correct answer is option A. This mechanism of action and drug is correctly matched, so option A is correct answer. Other option is ritonavir. It inhibition of reverse transcriptase in HIV. Ritonavir is an drug, antiviral drug, act by inhibition of protease enzyme but not reverse transcriptase, so option B is incorrect. Nystatin decrease synthesis of ergosterol in cell membrane. It is also incorrect because nystatin does not decrease synthesis of ergosterol, but it makes the pores in cell membrane. So it binds with, nystatin binds with ergosterol in cell membrane and make the pores, so ionic concentration are not maintained properly in the cell. Next option is option D, tetracycline inhibit activity of peptidyl transferase in bacterial protein synthesis. Tetracycline act by binding to the 30 subunit of the ribosome in protein synthesis. So here only option A is correct. and it is the answer of question number 23. Other options are incorrectly matched. So thank you for watching. If you like the video content, then please share with your friends.